So now let me tell you how to tie this all together. Now we have got our product 3-week diet, and I have showed you how to use the tricks and my traffic magnet tool which contact hundreds of thousands of people in one click of the mouse. Now only one piece is missing here, and that is our actual email that we are gonna send out. It's very simple. You don't have to write and you don't have to brainstorm.
Let's get pre-written emails from vendors, that is from product creators. So this is a marketplace. To get pre-written emails, we need to go to affiliate tab of 3-week diet, which is all the way down on the official website of 3-week diet. Just click on affiliates and then emails. Here we are at emails. So our emails are ready and waiting for us. You have emails one by one. You just have to choose the one that really gets your attention. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to use my tricks at maximum potential. I'm gonna show you the very effective emails. Again, this is proven stuff, my friends. I'm telling you the structure of emails because I am experimenting on this stuff for a long time. So I was fortunate enough to create a layout. Just see which email really gets your attention. Now that I have directory of Ezine and I have contacted one of Ezine publisher for the solo ad, and I am getting my solo ad in front of 400,000 people. So as publisher told me, I am sending him my solo ad to distribute in his highly targeted 400,000 subscriptions. Just copy the subject line and add guaranteed results or money back later. Now copy the whole mail into compose box. At the bottom of the page, write, please visit the official website for more information. Next line should be something like this. If you're really serious about your health, then here is the massive discount just for you. We are giving away $47 product just for $15 only. Limited offer. And after that, add something like this. If you wanna try 3-week diet system, then you can have the trial product for 7 days just for $7. Now we are going to use the magic words, the words that proven very successful for me. I have sent thousands of mails without these words and thousands of mail with these words. The benefit these words gives me, the profit these words makes me, it just doesn't compare. So we are gonna write as, please understand that it's all about you getting results. If you are not satisfied with our service, you can always ask for refund within 30 days. No questions asked. Now here, bold the important words and mind that both durations are same. 30 days sounds more time than 1 month. These are little psychological tricks that personally works well for me. Now go to ClickBank Marketplace and click promote in front of 3-week diet. Click on the create to get your hop link. Now paste it by hyperlinking official web page. Now I am going to put my unique and one and only discount link. Change the number and add your tracking ID. So do the same procedure with $7 trial product. Inserting link of $7 checkout with tracking ID. Now we need to do something to our magic words. Just color them and make them big. see if all looks good and send the mail. Now let's check today's date and time. Well, this is a beautiful Sunday morning with 9:15 am and I am about to get thousands of dollars within some hours. If you think about it, that your email goes in front of hundreds of thousands of people and you are making the big bucks when somebody clicks on your link and then buy. Does everybody buy? Of course not. If you have 400,000 people buying at 40 bucks, just your one email out and you don't have to work even for a minute for your whole remaining life. Now, even if 5% or 3% of people buy through your link, you are still making thousands of dollars. Remember, I told you my conversion rate is 65% plus. So this is exactly how I use this traffic magnet tool, and I can make any amount of money on demand. Now I will tell you what's going to happen. People will check the official website and they will come to their inbox to check out the discount link or the trial product link. Whatever they do, they are making me recurring commissions. Also, if they tried $7 product link and they like that 7-day trial version, if they wanna buy the product, they will definitely open my email again and check out the $15 link, unless they want to buy the same product with $47. So what I am doing is I am keeping my customer in my loop, making sure that the one who provides the best content should be me. Welcome friends, nearly 5 hours are over. Now, as you know very well, I have opened a new account with you, picked a product with you and outsmarted the complete competition and drive traffic of 400,000 potential buyers using my secret tool, Directory of Easins, which will be available at the discount rate only with my course. Let's check current date and time. So nearly 5 hours are completed. Let's go to my ClickBank account. And let me sign in, give my ID and password. Oh my god, this is $1,000. Don't believe it? Look, I have reached to 0.4 million super targeted traffic and earned $1,000 in 5 hours. How cool is that? And I have invested about $250 in Directory of Easin and to Publisher. And I don't have to invest that amount again, never. Because I am just getting the same traffic for $99 from now on. Friends, I encourage you to really apply this in your life. Don't just listen to this and don't just watch this and say, okay, that's great, and go back to doing whatever you are doing. Do something different. I am here to help you. I really want to help you. I am gonna continuously contact you from time to time, give you different tips and different advices in my next parts of Ray cash flow systems and whatnot. My life is completely changed when I cracked this online success code. I literally do it on daily basis. I daily found some new tricks that probably never found before, and I daily found new tools and systems that former entrepreneurs trust. I create my own tricks and my own tools just to share them with you
to improvise the level of marketing in community. If you do this, my friends, you don't have to worry about your finances. You don't have to worry about, do I have enough money to pay the bills tomorrow? I really want to do something for you if you are struggling to make money. And here, all my secrets. Okay, I don't hold anything back. So go ahead and apply this. Take action. Go ahead and set up your own cash flow system. I look forward to see your success stories. I hope you enjoyed these videos as much as I enjoyed them making for you. If you gonna get this directory of Ezins, my traffic magnet tool that I personally use, you can simply click on the link that I am about to provide you and get the discount that's never been published before, if the lifetime membership is still available. And if not, I still encourage you to get it, because this is the best investment you could ever make, and it's gonna make you money very quickly. Now I wanna share my hundreds of tricks and techniques which are I wanna say advanced, but I'm gonna keep it very simple for you to understand. This is the challenge for me. You know, we don't have the leverage of time here. I can be here talking to you about all this stuff for 3 days non-stop because there is so much to cover, but I really respect your time and I want to give you the most relevant information in the shortest period of time possible. I have spent countless hours doing the wrong things myself so that you don't have to. These are the quickest and easiest way of making money online. So I'm going to come up with a lots and lots of cool tricks about hundreds of products. Again, please introduce yourself in the comments. Write your name and where you are from. I am always curious to know what part of the world everyone is tuning in from. God bless you. Take care.